Hi guys, welcome back. In this screencast I'll dig a little bit more in the tag structure and I'll show you how tag attributes work. First, let me show you how your home assignment should look like. Here you have the header, the page title, and these are the paragraphs. The source page, the page source, looks like this. This is the h1 tag that formatted the title, the header, and these are the paragraphs, those five paragraphs. As you can see, the paragraphs are always, by default, are always aligned to the left of the page, and they have a little bit of space before and after each paragraph. This is the default behavior. Now back to attributes. As I said before, most HTML tags are container tags, so that means that they come in pairs, like we have here. And I will use an anchor tag with the attributes to create a link to Google. The name of the anchor tag is letter A. Go to Google search. Now reload, and you can see that nothing happens because the anchor tag needs a little bit more information to work properly. First, we have to add an attribute named href, short for hyperreference, and this attribute gets the value of the destination page, the address of the destination page, which is https://google.com. Now let's reload it. As you can see, the link is emphasized. It stands apart in the page and also when we hover over it, the mouse gets the shape of a pointer. Let's click on it. So there it is. The Google search page is loaded. Now, a tag attribute is always inserted in the opening tag, and it's always inserted after the tag name. Here, in our case, the A letter. This is the tag name. Another thing is that we can insert more than one attribute, and here I will insert another attribute called target, which gets the value of blank. Why I'm doing this is because I want to keep this page loaded in browser when I click go to Google search. So what is happening is that when I click on go to Google search, the Google page will be opened in a separate tab or window depending on the browser settings. As you can see, the page is loaded in a new tab, and my page remains open in the previously open tab. So this is how attributes work. I want you to try and build on this page and add to every paragraph a header like this with the tag h3. So this will be my first paragraph title. as you can see here. And another thing I want you to try is to make this one clickable, like a link. So basically you have to make this title a link and choose any page you like. For this, when you click to this title, you have the browser have to take you to the destination page. You have to use a link for this, so basically you have to do something like this: a href equals your destination page inserted here. And this is my first paragraph title with a link on it. You can do the rest, and we'll see in the next screencast where I'll show you the basic structure of the HTML document. So far we only discussed about tags. Now is it's time to discuss the overall HTML document structure. And we'll do that in the next screencast.